Hey Nash, what should we make?
Well, Danica wanted us to make some crockpot recipes. Why don't you make some cracked chicken, but make it better?
All right, let's make some cracked chicken, but better. Today, we're making slow cooker cracked chicken, but with a few, in my mind, improvements. However, I'll point those out. So hey, if you want to make it like the traditional way, you go for it. So it's a slow cooker chicken with a ranch seasoning base. It's something that once made, you got this amazing shredded chicken that you can put over rice. You could throw into a bun or bread, make a sandwich, make a wrap, lots of different options, but it's delicious. And without further ado, let's go. Like I said, crock pot. First things first, we're just gonna go in there with a little bit of oil spray. This is like an olive oil spray, but any sort of pan will be fine. This is a super easy recipe. It takes a while to cook, but the actual time that's involved in actual like work is very, very little. So this is a super easy recipe. It's kind of a dump and go recipe, perfect for like weeknights if you got a lot of stuff going on. If you plan ahead, throw everything in the morning. When you get back from work, this will be ready to go. So first thing we do, we're gonna take our chicken breasts and just pop them in here. This is an addition. If you don't want to do this, don't do it. You're free to leave this out. I got a few diced jalapenos here, so let's just dump those in. Kind of just spread that around a little bit. And then ranch seasoning. So this is about 2 packets worth. Just a little over 3 pounds of chicken. And then we got our cream cheese. This is 2 bricks of cream cheese. Just kind of put that over the top. I've made this recipe a few times and I find it to be just slightly one-dimensional and a little salty. So to cut that, and this is my addition to the recipe, I'm gonna add just a little bit of honey. And then I'm going to also add some of my homemade sriracha. I'll post the link to the video below. Any sort of hot sauce you want. And now we take this, put a lid on it, and we cook it on low for 6 hours. And after 6 hours on low heat, that's what we got. Now we're gonna take this and it should take very little effort to shred this at this point. And then once everything's shredded, we're gonna add our about 1 pound of chopped bacon. Stir that in. Now we're gonna add a bunch of shredded cheddar. So we cover this and wait till the cheese melts. And once the cheese is melted, we got our little chopped green onions on there, and this is ready to serve. So we'll do a couple of these here, but at this point you got this delicious shredded cheesy chicken. You could put it in a bun or on bread and make a sandwich. Think of it if a chicken salad and a casserole had a baby. And then you can put that between bread. We could put this, make a wrap out of it, or we could put this over rice. You could literally do anything with it. It's delicious, and the leftovers are amazing. So without further ado, let's go put this on some stuff. Time for a bite. Cheers. That is so good. I mean, don't get me wrong, the original cracked chicken is good. I think some of the additions we made really balance out the flavor and add a lot more depth of flavor. I think it tastes a lot better. So we improved on something that was already good. So good, and it has so many applications. And when you make it, you know, use as much chicken as you want, and then you got leftovers for days. So you can make it into whatever you want right now, and then it's gonna be good for the next few meals as well. I highly recommend, give this a try. It's so easy. Dump and go recipe. Throw everything in the crock pot in the morning, go to work, come home, pull it out, melt that cheese, add whatever you want on top, the scallions or whatever, add some parsley, I don't know. And then dinner's ready. So if you're a busy person with a family, you got a bunch of mouths to feed, you know, this is a great, great option. So let's see what Nash thinks. Come here, buddy. Let's see what you think. What do you think? That's some cracked chicken. Was that good? Is that good, huh? Yeah. Oh, you want more? Nash approves. I definitely approve. This is a great dish. It's super easy to make. It's super delicious. Personally, I think my additions make it a lot better. Go ahead and try it. That being said, thank you so much for watching. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to subscribe, like, and share the show, I'd really appreciate it. We'd really appreciate it. Definitely help us out. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now. Till next time. Peace.